Now the fun starts. Irrigating. This water will run for about 4 hours. Put about a foot of standing water in the orchard. It'll be dried up by Thursday or Friday. Won't even look like it been irrigated. Looking across the orchard, you can see the standing water. Then we took our walk this morning. Throughout the season there will be about 3,000–4,000 acre-feet of water. When the grandkids come out here, they look for fish and pollywogs that come out of the canal. And they come right up here through the ducts we have. There's no screens or anything to stop them. Yes, this water comes from the canal that I took the picture of yesterday. Running pretty fast. It takes about 2 hours to flood each side, with about 6 inches to a foot of water. This dam device is what separates the right from the left for being watered. I'm not talking rocket scientist stuff here. But it works. A lot of water coming out. Busy go-home traffic on 132, also known as Yosemite Boulevard.